Hello everyone, my friends from all around the world, and I'm very glad that again I am in front of you to showing some knowledgeable times with all of you, and please listen it, and if you like, then at the ending give your feedback. But before that, don't forget to follow Somit Yoga. Follow us in Instagram and subscribe our YouTube channel also, Somit Yoga Varanasi. Okay. So firstly, our topic is that how we can help to the others, because when we help to others, and it is very important and very useful. The thing is that when you see that someone in distress, that is the time where you should lend helping hand and give them hope, because it's the human nature. When people are in a trouble or in a problem, in that situation, if we give our help and support, that is a big contribution of our life to make them happy. So some points I have made, and I want to share from all of you. So firstly, it's give and receive, because it's a universal truth. If you give, then somehow some point you get also the receive, and the energy you put out is that goes around you, that come back to you. What the effort, what the help you are giving to someone, that will be returned back to you, but it is not from the same person whom you are giving to help, but someone from this universe, from this world, will give you help to you. It's a universal truth, and practically it's realized, and I'm very sure in your life you have also realized same back. Next, we can say that helping lower stress. When we giving to help to someone, it's giving the mental support to others, but in other hand, it's also very good for our mental and physical benefit, because it's remove our stress. We all are full of stress in our life, from our workplace, from family, from relation, lots of things, because there is a phenomenon known as the helping high, which advocates that after helping, the helper automatically feels happy. So if you give your support to someone, that person will feel happy. Due to this, helper also feels his stress level going down, because he feels like he has achieved something positive. The person who are struggling in their life, and if you give to help in a crucial time, that person will be also feeling much energetic and feel that he has gotten from happiness in presence of your help and support. So keep it on. And when we helping to someone, it's also increase a reaction of hope. It makes one chain, like when one chain, it's making a many continue a many parts. So it brings the power, it brings the united. If you help to someone, then believe that person will help to someone else. It will give the social power, social helping nature, it will be increased, and it is the demand of the time, because modern time, we all are thinking for ourselves. We have no time for thoughts for others. So if we giving to help, to others, and if that person will see near around of any person in trouble, any person have problem or need a help, that person will come in front and will give support. So somehow you made one channel, like networking, you can say a networking, but it's not like a business part of networking. It's a networking to make a helping community networking. So it's perfect purpose of life, because a mass of people walk around confused and frustrated. The reason is they don't know what is their purpose in life, and no one around it of them to share their problems or to give them motivate. So if you could do this help, this suggestion, or this advice to someone, so that person can find out the purpose of life. And other hand, our life have also the purpose will come out. Our life is not just only earning money, eating, walking. It's not the life. Our life will get also one meaning. So give the peoples the meanings of life and make, because when you give the social help, so that times it's also give you support to make a building a connection. The thing is, when you give to help to your loved ones or the closer to your loved ones, so that times build a new connection, and it brings the opportunity to meet and get to know new peoples who might have amazing effect in your life, in your personality, in your destiny of life, in any moment in your life it comes trouble or the problem, they give the help. Because as I say that it's give one channel, so that's channel it's making the connection with the good peoples who can support you, support in your work. And when we were child and still now, many youngster or many children, even many old peoples also, they love to read the comics. Now everything is now in social media, so we read the stories. So in that stories we read also about Superman, Spider-Man. This all peoples are very famous. And why? Because they call superhero, they help their superpower and became superhero. So we have also our four superpowers, and what is that? Share a smile. Because one smile can change the person who are meeting with you, who are expending time with you, or who has like a something bad start happens in that person lives in a day. Like if that person is off mood, and your one energetic smile will give that person energy. It's same like when we do the charge our mobile phones or our laptops, so it gives a amazing energy. So keep smiling, like natural smiling, so it will be very help. And share a smile, lend your ears, because when you lending your ears, that times it giving to the person to feel that in this world someone, some corner, they can listen. That person will be listen the problem of that people. It's one famous proverb also, that walls have ear, but walls have no emotions. Walls have no sharing of feedback. So if we give our lending of ear to someone, listening that person's emotions, problems, or the ideas, thought, vision, whatever, and giving our advice, suggestion. So it will be a big help, big support for both sides. The person whom you are speaking, that person will give one good suggestion, good advice from you. Second, you will give, you will get for yourself one experience, and that experience will make you one mature person in this world. Next, friend, next is compliment and appreciate. Never ever forget to give compliment and appreciation to the persons. For example, you are looking that your one friend, he has wear a new shirt or a new trouser or something. Just say that what a perfect or what a beautiful things you have. Believe that day will be fantastic day of your friend, and he will think, no, I have gotten a compliment, I have a much energy for a day, I will do more good work. And same time, don't forget to appreciate your co-staff, appreciate your team member, appreciate your colleague, friend for their even a small achievement. If you appreciate, it's 100% scientific proof they will do their more and more better result next time. Because compliment and appreciate when we do for someone, it no need for any money to buy, no need to go in a shop for buy it. Compliment and appreciate it come from our this lips, by smiling, by good energy, good vibration, by open heart. Do it, and result you will see that person will be more happy and will do more work, and next you will get also benefits. Next, if you really want to help someone, then give something knowledgeable things, something like teaching, something to provide that person for that teachable, or that person like personality will be increased. Probably you hear that if we keep to the peoples for the fishing work, we can pay to them, but if we teach how to fishing, then that person can use this work for lifetime. So make the person more and more practical and make them perfect in any technique, any profession you can help. If you know, if you have any talent, any knowledge, and if that knowledge will be helpful for other, then you can share to them. Maybe, who knows, your knowledge will give a job to someone, your knowledge will make the better future to someone, your knowledge will give a bright life to someone. So don't forget to give, teach. Whenever you have time, you do it. And I hope that today's our this program you like it. So don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.